Hello everyone, welcome to the weekend market analysis. Today 5th April, Nifty ends this week around 22,904 and Bank Nifty at 51,502. See, during Friday, I shared this chart and levels. See, the expected 23,050 has been reached. See, during our previous week video, when the price was trading here, we expected one more dip to come and the price to move higher. And we expected the dip to reach 23,050. So once the price reaches 2350, I shared that around 23,000 is important. And considering the internal minute levels, I shared again that this channel and around 22,900 is important for support view to valid. Below this channel, need a reanalysis. This is what I shared, and this is the channel. And if you watch, Friday's closing was exactly 22,904, and that is the level I shared. Okay, during the morning time itself. Okay. So the price as of now moving as per expectation only. So everything is okay, but the only problem here is GIFT Nifty showing a very good gap down possibility. See, we cannot anticipate the level and we cannot start the analysis. We need the price action first. See, there are many times when GIFT Nifty shows the gap down, but the Nifty opens neutral or slight gap down or slight gap up. So let us see the opening first on Monday, but I will give certain levels. See, if the price opens neutral, okay, the same analysis channel and 22,900 is important. This channel and 22,900 is important. But suppose if the price gaps down, okay, the GIFT Nifty shows around 400, 500 points, but let us see, Monday may change. We cannot confirm the same level of gap down on Monday. It can change. So the initial level of support is if the price gaps down below 22,900, okay, and the channel, this is the important support. This is the very important support between 22,730, okay, and 22,670, maybe 22,730 to 22,650, right? This zone, you can see this gap, right? So 22,730 to 22,650 is the important support. We need to see how the price opens here. But even if the price moves below it or gap downs below it, the next important support level is 22,500 levels approximately. Okay, 22,500, 520 levels is the most important levels. Until this zone, the impulse wave or bullish view is valid. Please listen. Until this level, the bullish view is valid. Only below, okay, if the price moves below 22,300, to be precise, 22,316, okay, let us keep 22,300. If the price moves below 22,300, then only bearish view is activated. And bearish view means the price needs to move below this low of 21,975. Okay, that based on the nature we can get the number, but this is the situation now. We cannot anticipate the gap down tomorrow on Monday, right? So we need to see the real opening, then only we can analyze. There are many situations I experienced. Nifty not copied the GIFT Nifty, so we need to see the real opening on Monday. So this is the possibilities. Primarily expecting the support in this zone. Okay, so these zones and the worst case 22,500. These zones are important and this should support for bullish view. Okay, so if the price gets support, the price can move higher, and in this case it is not 3 and 4, it can be 1, 2, 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3. The alternate analysis I shared in the previous video also. While seeing the nature of the decline, I explained in the previous midweek market update that there is a possibility of 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so let us see, if the price declines and takes support, I go with the 1 of 3, 2 of 3 and 3 of 3 to proceed. Only below 23, sorry, 22,300. Okay, only below 22,300 the bearish view is valid. So Bank Nifty, see, Bank Nifty has higher strength when comparing to the Nifty. If it wants to copy the Nifty, then it needs to fall big, but as of now it is not looking like that. So let us see, the initial support can be 51,200 to 51,100. Okay, that is the closest support, and if the price takes support, it can move higher. Suppose if the price gaps down below this level, then there is a possibility of price to reach this 5600 to 5500. Okay, these two zones are very important. Let us see the opening again. Okay, so the initial support is 51 200 to 51 100. If the level does not support, we can expect 5500 to 5600. Right? So this is the expectation for Nifty Bank, and possibly the price can move higher right from here or here. Okay, when the price reaches here, you can check the Nifty also, right? If the price goes below 22,300, you can also take the bearish in Bank Nifty also. But as of now, it's good strength, and I don't think it's a bearish view in Bank Nifty. So yes, let's see. So this is the primary support, and the next level of support is here. Okay, then the price needs to move higher. Let us cross verify with 22,300 to decide further. So this is the update on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And crude oil, see crude oil 62, and the low made was approximately 60.5. And this one I shared on March 8th. The price reaches our expected 66. Around 63 to 60 is an important support, and if it does, it can be a significant reversal, or if it breaks below the range, more correction is possible. So decision making zone is 63 to 60, and the price has been reached the our expected zone of 63, and many times I have shared that this trend line, you need to see the support of trend line. Okay, and by seeing this, this can be the end of the correction possibly. Okay, primarily I think like this. Okay, this can be the end of correction. The pattern suggests it is not the primarily, it is not a triangle to continuation trend. So the price needs to take support, or maximum it can be around 58.6 58.5, that zone, and the price needs to come back to this level. Okay, that is important. But the price does not take support and still moving lower with a fast price action, then this will become a continuation and move lower. So not a trading advice, just we need to observe, because see the price action, fast reaction here, and the 60 zone is the important decision making zone. Let us see how the price reacts here, and let the volatility settles down, then we can get the clear view. So possibly it can take support and come within this trend line, right? Maybe one high and one more low, some consolidation pattern above 58. Okay, and then the price may come inside this trend line. So let us see the crude oil also at very important zone, and natural gas. I hope you remember when the price was trading here, I said that this is the target area. The price almost reached the target area, but turned slightly below it. See, the initial target level is 4.30. The price has been reached 4.27. Okay, slightly the price turned below. And if you remember, I said that uh, there are two chances here. The price may move like this, or the price may reverse here and make a one more low, and then the price may turn higher, right? This is what I explained in the previous weekend. So that's why I said the price first reaches here, and then we can decide. And if the price wants to move higher, it needs to immediately turn from here. Please listen, it needs to immediately turn from here. If not, there are higher chances that the natural gas can reach 3.76 to 72, like this, a slight pullback and one more low. But this level needs to hold 3.76 to 73. But if the price does not hold, and if the price crosses 3.65 with speed, there are higher chances for much lower level in natural gas. Okay, and even it can reach uh, around 3.16, roughly $3. Okay, but for this, the important levels should not support. Even if the price goes right from here, there are chances that one more low, because the pattern is slightly complicating here. For more highs, definitely the price needs to cross this range 4.3 to 4.35. In silver, see, this is the effect of intramarket divergence. I have said in many videos. I have informed identifying the bottom and top in one video. After that video, you identified the reversal in the Nifty in the equity markets. See, Bank Nifty, and this is the example for identifying the bottom, and this is the example for identifying the top. Many market people ask that we cannot identify the tops and bottoms. Yes, agree. We cannot identify all the tops and bottoms, but we can identify certain tops and bottoms, and this is one example. And see the up move and see the decline in silver, and right from exactly the 34. See, this is a chart I shared in previous video. Okay, intermarket divergence, and these are the most important levels. And also I said there is a higher chance for double top. I said everything in the previous weekend video. So the double top made, and see the decline. Okay, now the interesting point is it is approaching the important support. So this is the important support. I'm not only saying the important levels to watch for next week, but also I'm trying to give what may happen beyond that, maybe after a month, a long term view also. So don't confuse with that. Okay, because recently I'm receiving such comments. That's why. Okay, see, the price has reached important support, and in my opinion, yes, this is support area, but considering this, the price can reach $28 to $27, which is a long weighted levels right from here. And if you are following my video regularly, uh, I said this level here, this correction may take silver to $28 to $27, and I think this time it may reach, but currently the price in support only. If there is no gap down, there is a chance of a pullback first, and the price may decline. Okay, so there are chances that the price may reach the $28 to $27 in the coming days, but don't take it as any kind of recommendation. See the price action first, let the price settles, and then we can decide. But the broader view is, yes, the price can reach this support zone of 28 to 27, but in this case this is the end of possible end of correction. But in gold, see, in gold, this is what I shared. Okay, nothing changed. 3136, and this is the zone I'm expecting for top or rejection. And you can see 3136, price slightly went higher and started to decline, and I believe this is the start of a decline. And for minimum decline, the price needs to cross below this zone approximately around 2994, and for bigger decline, the price needs to minimum cross below this zone of 2826. You check in your chart the low levels. Okay, so I think this is the start of a decline, and the gold may move in declining phase for some time, and this is what our anticipation for long time. And yes, let's see. So this is the clue, the first level of decline and the second level of decline. Okay, so the question here is, if the gold moves in a slightly bigger decline, but silver near the end of decline in this particular wave, what may happen? There are chances that silver can make a new high above $35, but gold will make intermarket divergence like right from here. Okay, something like that. I'm just sharing the anticipation in silver and gold. So in this case, there is a possibility silver may move higher and the gold may create intermarket divergence. Possibilities are there. Let us see. So simply gold at resistance and silver close to the support, these levels, and even if it moves higher, there's a chance of intermarket divergence may develop. Got it? So this is the understanding about the markets, and I hope you are clear. See, next week is very important. Lot of things happening around the world, and all the price actions are very fast, high volatility. So trade safe, okay, and don't take high risk trades. If you are not very confident, let this week to settle. See the price action first, and identify the setup you trade. Then you can proceed. Okay, so let us see first how the market opens on Monday, and whether we are going with the bullish view or we can expect more bearish in the markets. So that is decided by the next week. Let us see. And if you wish to learn this advanced Elliott wave study, you can register my course. I give the details in the description. So thank you. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Take care.